To use presenter mode in Canva, let's click on this presentation document and open a blank new page. From the template section here, I'm just going to add in a template just to demonstrate what we're doing here. I will add in this template and you see everything is going to open up, and I'm going to click on apply all 11 pages. Now let's click out and we have our presentation ready to be presented. Now to use the presentation mode, you see here where it says present, you're going to come into this drop down so you see the options that are available to you. The first one is present in full screen, the second one is presenter view, and the third one is present and record. The fourth one is autoplay. So all this does different things. The first one is just you presenting, and it opens up your full screen and you see everything that is being presented. Let's test that out. And you see all the things that I'm presenting. You can just swipe and make your presentation. I'm going to click on escape on my keyboard to move out of this presenter view, and I'm going to come here and choose presenter view. So if you click on presenter view, this one allows you the option to share a portion of your screen. So if you share this portion of your screen here, you're seeing the slides that you're presenting. You're seeing the slides that are coming up next. If you have notes in your presentation, you can add them here. And if you've selected this window that you are presenting, this is the only window you want to present. But if you share all of this with this PC now, they are going to see everything. So if you use this view to present, if you're not sharing your screen, but you're just talking to the audience and looking to them and reading your notes, then this is the view you want to share with your audience. I'll link a video that shows you, if you're using Zoom to make this presentation, how to properly share only this window. So that's what they will see, and you read your notes from here. So if you close this presenter view, let's click escape again on my keyboard, and you come to the next one. You see that you have present and record. So you can present and record yourself as you make your presentation, and you can set time on each of your presentations and set speed, and when you just autoplay it, it plays as if you are presenting it naturally. So this is how to use the presenter mode in Canva.